Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out on which date or time Windows, Mac and Linux computer is turned on. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Toggler, and on the first list you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Now you can see on the right side releases. Just click on it. Now here you will see a tons of download option for Linux, Mac as well as for Windows. So I'm gonna download for Windows version. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. So now you can see the user interface of this software, and I've been using this software since from the last few weeks. So now just click on this summary, and now you'll see here on which date or time my Windows computer is being turned on. So on the date 3 you can see here it's written 1351, which is 1:51 p.m. So you can see on the date 4 you can see the time. On the date 5 I have not turned on my computer, and the date 6 you can see here the time, which is written as wake time, is the turn on time of my respective Windows computer, as well as you can see the time for the date 7. So you can keep tracking your turn on time for your respective Windows, Mac and Linux computer using this cool application named as Toggler. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.